ज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरातिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश कविकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितारं नमस्यै। कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। जामि राधं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधं मधुरासनं वदामि राधं करुणावदात्रं ततो ममास्ति गतिर्मतामि। श्यामसुन्दरशिखण्डशेखरस्मिनहासं मुरलीमनोहर राधिकरसिकमन्त्रिपाणिके स्वप्रिया चरणा किङ्करीं कुरु। संविदधसृतिनं विभो प्रार्थये विनम्रं वस्तु मोहन तवादिवल्लभ। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे
My Guru Padma, Nitya Lila Pravista, Om Vishnupad, Ashtota Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and and Nispad Ashotra Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj के अवैत चरण को मैं अनंत कोटि दंडवत प्रणाम I offer. Then after Nitya Lila Pravista Om Vishnupad Ashtotra Sata Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj
एवं मंचस्थ
and then
विराजमान प्रभु के चरण श्रीपाद माधव महाराज
and Srimad Madhav Maharaj, Nrsimha Maharaj, Rishikesh Maharaj and Paramhamsa Maharaj and all the Vaishnavas and the Vaishnavis mothers and the सभियों के चरण और I pay humble obeisances at your lotus feet. Please accept my humble obeisances. Today we started Srimad Bhagavad today. We've taken Sankalpa for Bhagavad today. During the Kartik month, it's very special to do Bhagavatam in Kartik month. Even during the Purushottam month, we had Bhagavat during the Purushottam month as well, and then now also during the Kartik. So I had enthusiasm. Then also with the Bhaktos and the enthusiasm of the Bhaktos. So we are doing Bhagavad Saptah. You just heard from Madhav Maharaj and Nrsimha Maharaj. You heard about the glorification of Bhagavatam in Srimad Bhagavatam. It's not a granth. It's not just a book. It's Sakshat Bhagwan Swarup. It's a Swarup of Bhagwan. In Padma Purana, it's confirmed. We have two Bhakti, Antamruti and Vaimukti. If you look at Vaimukti, in the antar, the inside mukti, if you look at the inside, if you think about the Shastras, if you take shelter of the Guru and Vaishnava and you do bhajan, and Srimad Bhagavat is a Bhagavad Swarup, is a Swarup, Roop of Bhagwan. And there is 12 cantos. 12 cantos. There are the limbs of the 12. The 12 chapters of Bhagavatam are the limbs of Bhagwan. नाभिस्तथा पंचमेव षष्ठभुजान्तरम् जुगन्नं तथा कण्ठसुराजनममो ज्योतियं भारविन्दं दशम प्रफुल्लम् एकादशोजस्य ललाटपट्टं शिरोसु गोपीतु दादश एव तमा
श्रीमद् भागवत
Srimad Bhagavat
कोई ग्रंथ नहीं,
is not a book, is not a granth. It's a Vamya
साक्षात
Murti.
भगवान
It's Sakshat Bhagwan.
वांग्मय मूर्ति के रूप में
He
ही
is in the form of Murti.
कलियुग में प्रकाश
He is manifested in this.
आगे जाकर हम वर्णन करेंगे
As we
कृष्ण
put in Krishna,
दापर लीला आदि करके
after did so many
सारे
leelas,
सारे यदुवंश के ध्वंस करा
also
करके
thus he destroyed
हाँ?
the
और
guns.
अंत में से भगवान
At the end,
प्रभात में पधारे
he,
और उद्धव के अपने सुंदर सुंदर उपदेश तुम जाओ
you go,
बद्री नारायण
you go to Badri Narayan.
वहीं पर जाकर के
Told
ये लोग
Uddhav,
संत
Uddhav,
महात्मा,
go, everybody
ये
left.
कैसे बच गया
Left and
ये मेरा विजय
this wall. But why did Uddhav was saved?
कृपया उस कथा को हमें
Please give me the, please recite that katha why Uddhav was left
तो
here.
अभी हम जो कथा हम श्रवण करने जा रहे हैं
The katha
इस
we are
श्लोक में
listening
दिखा रहे
to
क्या कि
in this
श्रीमद्
slok is
भागवत साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ही है
Srimad Bhagavatam is Sakshat
प्रथम और
Bhagwan,
द्वितीय
the
स्कंद
roop
श्रीमद्
of
भागवत
Bhagwan,
भगवान के
Swarup
दो
of
चरण
Bhagwan.
बताए हैं। दो चरण कहाँ?
These 2 feet,
भगवान के
2 lotus
सुंदर
feet,
दिव्य अपराजित
beautiful lotus feet,
चरण कमल
Charan
प्रथम
Kamal.
स्कंध और द्वितीय स्कंध
first and 2, chapter 1 and
तृतीय
chapter
स्कंद
2.
संग भगवान के जो है इसके
The
कहा जाता
lotus
है
feet.
गुरु कहा जाता था
Thighs,
Eh?
thighs are chapter
और जंगा
3 and
पंचम
4
स्कंद जो है
and
भगवान
5.
की
Chapter
नाभि
5
को
is Nabhi, the navel.
षष्ठ और सप्तम स्कंद
The chapter 6
श्रीमद् भागवत
and 7,
भगवान के दो भुजाएं हैं
the arms of
अष्टम
Bhagwan
स्कंद संग भगवान के वक्षस्थल
and his
नवम
throat.
स्कंद संग भगवान के
8 is throat,
कंठस्थल
9
नवमी तो कंठस्थ
is sorry
और
throat.
दसम स्कंद
And the chapter 10th is the
हारविंदम
beautiful face of Krishna
दिव्य जागलमन प्रकाशमन
and the illuminated face of the lotus, the illuminated face of Krishna is chapter 10.
ऐसे सुंदर उनकी जो मुख कमल बताया गया कौन सा स्कंद है
Chapter
दसम स्कंद
chapter 10.
एकादशम
And chapter 11 is the
एकादश स्कंद जो है
chapter 11 is Bhagwan's forehead.
हाँ? और द्वादश स्कंद
And 12
भगवान के जो है सिरादेश
Sira, the head.
है इसी प्रकार कहते हैं
The head
अहो,
of
ये
Krishna.
श्रीमद् भागवत कैसे सुंदर है इस
This
श्रीमद्
Bhagavad
भागवत
Gita
में कोई
is so
आश्रय कर ले,
sundar. Whoever
और
takes the
संसार
shelter
के
of Bhagavad,
समुद्र के जो है,
they will
अति
cross
सावर
this
रूप में,
ocean of this material world.
समाधिरेवं करुणानिधानं तमालवरणं सीतावतारं स्वयं भगवान
Same Bhagwan,
जीवों के कैसे
How
मित्र
will-
सुहृद करें
how will we be friends?
सुहृद करें जैसे सुहृद मित्र एक मित्र
Like
दूसरे
two
मित्र
friends.
जैसे सहायता करते हैं
Like how
उसी
two
प्रकार
people, two
श्रीमद्
friends,
भागवत के
two
कोई
friends
आश्रय कर लेते
are
हैं,
talking and they have
संसार विमान समुद्र
they are
के
dependent on each other.
अनाथ
Just like
अति
that,
सहज
anyone who
रूप
takes the
में
shelter of Bhagavatam, he will be saved from this material world, and he can cross this ocean of this material world.
अपार संसार समुद्र से तुम भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम इस कलियुग में
In
मनुष्य
this
की और
Kali
क्या
Yuga,
करें
what can a human being
कर्म
do?
ज्ञान योग
Karma,
तपस्या
Gyan,
के द्वारा
Tapasya,
भगवान को प्राप्त नहीं कर
Bhagwan, you cannot attain
हाँ,
Bhagwan.
संसार से पद उद्धार हो सकते हैं।
You cannot only be
इसलिए
saved from
कहते
this
हैं,
material
पद्म
world.
पुराण में क्या करें एकमात्र श्रीमद् भागवत
What
की
you have to
कथा
do?
आश्रय करें।
You have to take
भागवत
the
की
shelter of Bhagavatam.
श्रवण करें
If you listen to Bhagavatam,
देखो अब हमें भागवत कथा वर्णन करने के पहले उसकी थोड़ी सी महत्व आप लोग के निकट में वर्णन करता हूं।
before I start the Bhagavatam, I want to
क्योंकि
say, I
देखो,
want to glorify
एक
Bhagavatam.
किसी व्यक्ति के यदि महिमा हम श्रवण करें,
If we
उसके प्रति
glorify,
हमारा क्या हो जाता है?
if we glorify somebody,
अनुराग बढ़ जाता है।
then we want to anurag, you know, like we want to know.
आर्टिस्ट के यदि
If
आप
you want to,
उनके महिमा श्रवण करें,
if you hear about the artist,
अभी कुछ साल पहले, 30 साल पहले,
good qualities
देखो
about the
रामानंद
artist.
सागर,
For a
जब
few
रामायण
years, when he did Ram Sagar
और वो
with the
देखो,
Ramayana,
वो अरुण कबीर
Arun,
और सीता देवी जो बनी, क्या नाम था उसकी?
he was who was Sita, Deepika, who took the role of Sita Devi.
हाँ, दीपिका।
Deepika,
हाँ,
who took the
देखो,
role,
घर-
who
घर
played
में
the role of Sita
उनकी
Devi.
मूर्ति ला करके, उनकी चित्र
What
बना
happened?
करके,
People in the
लोग
house,
बोलने
from the
लगे,
house, they were putting
सब
her
राम
picture.
बोला वृंदावन
They
बिहारी
were thinking that she is Sita herself.
हम किसे
That's how
करें?
they
इसके
glorified her.
उसके प्रति स्वाभाविक रूप में हमारा अनुराग बढ़ जाता है।
So that way we have anurag, we have attachment.
काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मात में
Even
भरी
if
हुई है,
we have got so
तो
much
राम
calm,
कृष्ण
lust,
केवल
karma, lust,
ये
anger, krodh.
क्या बोले? एक्टिंग कर दिया।
Even she was she just was took a acting role of Sita Devi.
कैसे अनुराग बढ़ जाता है।
And how we started to like her,
कथा यदि हम
how
श्रवण
she
करें,
how she became famous.
उनकी महिमा यदि हम श्रवण करें,
If we listen to the Mahima of Bhagavatam,
अनुराग बढ़ेगा।
then we will have eagerness. We will have eagerness to
देखो,
hear
किसी कथा
Bhagavad
श्रवण के
Katha.
प्रथम अथवा अंत में अति अवश्य
In the beginning of Bhagavad and the end of Bhagavad, we have to glorify
देखो, रास्ता
Bhagavatam.
की कथा हम सुनते हैं।
We are listening to Ras Leela
रास्ता
Katha.
वर्णन करते करते अंतिम श्लोक में
Then what-
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
listening to
रास्ता
Ras
के
Leela,
महत्व वर्णन करते हैं।
then he at the end he glorifies Ras Leela. Not in the first, not in the beginning. Like in chapter 10,
29 अध्याय से लेकर 33 अध्याय तक रास
30,
मंदिर था।
34. I don't know what the numbers are. Sorry.
अंतिम श्लोक होते जा रहे
37.
हैं, वहाँ पर रासलीला की महत्व वर्णन करते हैं।
Then I don't know what. Sorry, I don't know the Hindi numbers. So it is where he glorifies the Ras Leela.
देखो इस श्लोक के
In
द्वारा
that श्लोक,
रास लीला की श्रवण की महत्व
The
और रास
start of the Ras Leela.
कथा को वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं। बोले कथा श्रवण करो,
Katha, you start the Katha. When who should you listen? Who should you listen to the Katha from? From the devotees, from sadhu,
श्रीमद् भागवत कथा अमृत है,
from a pure devotee's mouth. Katha is amritam, it's nectar.
तप्त जीवनम कवि पीड़ितम परमभावम श्रवणमंगलम श्रीमदाततम उर्विते सूरिदाजन अमृतम तप्त जीवनम कवि पीड़ितम परमभावम। भगवान की कथा अमृत,
Bhagwan Katha is amrit, nectar.
हम लोग तो अमृत पान नहीं किया,
We have not tasted the nectar.
किंतु भागवत कथा और भी
We
अमृत,
haven't tasted the nectar.
प्रकार के अमृत के बारे में सत्य ने कहा।
But Bhagavad
इस संसार के
Katha,
अमृत को दे जरामृत,
what is the
जिससे पान करके जीव पागल हो जाते
You
हैं, काम
pray.
क्रोध में लिप्त हो जाते हैं।
in this sansar, in this material world, they drink the nectars and they get absorbed in this
उससे
sansar
आगे कहा
jivan.
जाता है क्या? मोक्षम सर्गामृतम, स्वर्गलोक में भी अमृत
Even
है।
in the nectar that's in the amrit, in heavenly planets,
पान करते हैं।
when they drink that
किंतु उस अमृत का
nectar,
पान करके वो भी काम में मत्त हो जाते हैं।
what happens when they drink that nectar? They also get involved in the calm.
कोई अमृत के पान करके क्या हो गया?
When you drink that heavenly nectar of the heavenly planets,
है कि नहीं?
then you get attached to women. In the
इंद्र,
Shastras,
गौतम
Indra
ऋषि
is
की-
saying
इंद्र
to
चंद्र
Gautam,
गौतम ऋषि की
Gautam Rishi,
पत्नी
his
अहिल्या जो
wife,
है, सतीत्व नाम
and Indra, they so got attached to the Rishi's wife.
और एक तीसरी अमृत क्या है?
Then what is the third nectar?
मोक्षामृत,
Muksha
जो
Amrit.
अद्वैतवादी लोग जिस
The
अमृत को
Advait.
पान करना चाहते हैं,
Advaita
मोक्ष
others,
में, मुक्ति में
to
लौट
go
जाना।
into the moksha, liberation, merge into it.
उसके
That is
बाद
another
आगे
nectar.
अमृत क्या है?
Then what is
वैकुंठामृतम।
then which is
वैकुंठ
another
जगत में जो
nectar?
अमृत,
Above that nectar
उसके
is
आगे
Vaikuntha
अयोध्या
nectar.
अमृतम, अयोध्या
Then
में
it's
जो
Ayodhya
अमृत,
Amritam,
उसके
nectar
आगे
of Ayodhya. Above Ayodhya is which nectar?
द्वारिकापुरी में
Dwaripar
अमृत,
nectar.
उसके
Dwaripar
आगे
nectar.
मथुरामृत,
Above
मथुरामृत है। उसके
Dwarka
आगे
nectar
कौन सा
is
अमृत है?
Mathura nectar.
गोलोक वृंदावन।
And above Mathura nectar is
हाँ,
Golok
वही अमृत
Vrindavan.
के वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
That is the
उस
Amrit
अमृत
we
का
want.
पान करें।
Then you taste that
कैसे?
Amrit.
कथामृत,
How do you taste that nectar? You taste through
महात्मा
the
श्रवण
Bhagavatam.
करें,
You
हमारे
hear
हृदय में
hear that katha from a.
प्रेरणा जाए।
Then in our
और वो
body,
कथा किसे श्रवण करना चाहिए?
how
वही
should you
पद्म
listen
पुराण
to
में कहा
katha?
है।
In
और
Padma
उसको
Purana it
बोधि
says,
पुतः वही कथामृतम श्रवणं नैव। हैं? सर्वोच्छिष्ट तथापय अवैष्णवं मुखोद्गीर्णं।
you should not
अवैष्णव के मुखारविंद
you should
से
not listen from a Vaishnava. That means you should not listen to Bhagavad from non-Vaishnava.
भागवत कथा श्रवण करके
You
इससे
should listen to a Bhagavad Katha from
वैष्णव से
a Vaishnava's mouth.
जहाँ भागवत पूरा वैष्णव के स्थाने एकांत आश्रय करो।
Where there is Bhagavatam, you should take one pointedly, take shelter there. One pointed, take shelter of Bhagavatam and listen.
यदि कहो नहीं नहीं मैं तो भागवत कथा सुनना चाहता हूँ कि तो अमृत है।
If you said Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Katha is nectar, but if you listen to Bhagavatam from a Vaishnava, non-Vaishnava, then it's like a serpent. Like we know when you have doodh, you get nourishment from doodh, from milk. But if that milk is poisoned by the snake, even the snake has drank that milk, then what happens to the milk? The milk becomes poisonous. And then if you drink that milk, then what happens? You will die. You will die. That's why you have to be careful. You should be careful and listen to Bhagavatam from Vaishnava. Vaishnava, who has come through Guru Parampara, who have served the Gurudev, who have served the Gurudev. First you listen. If you don't listen, if you not followed the instruction of Guru and you haven't served Gurudev, then that katha is not of any value. Bhagwan Kapil Dev is telling to his mother Devuti, Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd chapter. Hey Ma, he said, hey mother, you should listen to Bhagavatam, listen from a Sant Mahatma, and you should listen with Shravan with faith. What will happen if you listen to that katha? Bhakti. First what will happen? Sadhan Bhakti. Then first Sadhan Bhakti, and then Bhava Bhakti, and then also Prema Bhakti. So that's why you should listen to from a Sant Mahatma. Who is Sant Mahatma? Who is Sant Mahatma? Niskapa means who has served the Guru unconditionally. Nirmal Satan. There is no anger, there is no enviousness. He respects everyone, and he's always giving kripa to everyone. That type of Santa Mahatma, who is simple hearted, no hankar, no ego. He Vaishnava, he gives respect to all the Vaishnavas. He is a servant of Gurudev. He is a Guru Seva. Come in Srimad Bhagavatam. I am saying something. It is necessary that I speak something about Bhagavatam. In Dakshin Dek, in South India, there is one place, nice Nagari. There is a nice, beautiful place. In that beautiful place,
ब्राह्मण
there was a
आत्मदेव
Brahmin.
ब्राह्मण
Atmadev Brahman was residing there.
उसके बहुत धन था उसके
He had a lot of wealth.
पास। उसके सुंदरी पत्नी
He had a very
कितनी
beautiful
सुंदरी
wife.
है।
She was very beautiful to look at.
उनके पत्नी
But his
बहुत
wife,
झगड़ालू है।
but his wife was very quarrelsome. She was always quarreling.
उसके नाम क्या
Oh,
थी?
whose name? What was her name? Dandu.
Danduli.
Danduli. Her name was
नाम भी ऐसे सुंदर
Danduli.
है।
Even her name was
जैसे
Danduli.
ऐसी
Gun. Even Ganguli.
Ganguli.
Whatever quality she has,
देखो
according to
जब
her
वो
qualities,
दिने
her
में
name
भरे
was
हैं,
also like
तो बहुत
Danduli.
बड़ी-बड़ी बात
When the husband is in the house, he would speak very sweet talk. She'll be very sweet. And then when the husband leaves the house, then without any reason, she will cause arguments with the neighbors. You know, some people have that type of nature. In this world, some people have nature. You know, without no reason, they will come and argue with you.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
It is not necessary, but they will still come and make arguments with you. Similarly, that Danduli,
ऐसे झगड़ालू।
she was like that. Her nature was argumentative. When the husband used to come back, then
दीनहीन होकर के
she would
किंतु
be
देखो,
very
आपको
nice and
ब्राह्मण
sweet.
घराट होने पर भी
Even
वो
this-
बहुत कंजूस था।
This Brahman was very
बहुत
miser.
कंजूस था।
He was very miser.
ना अपने भोजन अच्छी करते थे।
He was
ना
not doing a
दूसरे के
bhajwan.
खिलाते थे।
He was not eating properly himself, and he was not eating others properly.
भिक्षावृत्ति के द्वारा जीविका निर्वाह
He
करते
was
थे।
living
कैसे?
like a beggar.
भिक्षावृत्ति हम भी करिए पढ़ते हैं। भिक्षावृत्ति के द्वारा वो जीविका निर्वाह करते
He was
थे।
living like a beggar. He was begging from other people. Even though he had so many millions of money, still he would wear torn clothes,
और भिक्षावृत्ति
and
आदि
he would ask other people for money.
ऐसे करते करते उनके
Similarly, like this,
वयस में चला गया।
then
माने 40 साल
40 years passed by. 40 years passed by,
किंतु उनकी कोई पुत्र कन्या नहीं।
and he didn't have any sons.
विचार करने लगे हाय
He
हाय
started to think.
करोड़ रुपया है।
He started to think, I've got so many crore of, so many millions of
ये
dollars.
संपत्ति को अधिकारी कौन बने?
But then who will
इसलिए मन में विचार करने
heritage?
लगे,
Who will
हमसे नहीं पुत्र होगा।
heritage this money
इसलिए
that I
वो
have?
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण ने क्या की?
So what this Atma Brahman did, so he started to give in charity.
दान पुण्य आदि करने लगे।
So he started to give money in charity. First he was very miser, but now he would. So why he wanted to give in charity? So he thought he wanted a son.
बहुत लोग हम भी देखा।
So he thought if I give in charity, then I'll get a son. So many people come and say, oh, I don't have son. You do kripa. Then after once they've got son, when they have son, then they don't even come to the Maharaj. And then when the son is sick, then again they come to the Maharaj and say, why son is sick? So 2-3 years they don't bother to come. They are swathi. They come for their own benefit. So similarly in Atma Ram Brahman, he was very conjuice, he was very miser, he didn't do any charity work. And then he wanted to do, because he wanted a son, he started to do charity work. And then like this, similarly 50 years passed by. Then how can you guarantee at 50 you'll have a son or not?
50 साल के बाद वो नहीं वो क्या बताए?
You don't know what will happen after 50. So he was very, very much suffering.
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
He was very suffering.
एक दिन
One day, this
दुखी
Brahmin,
होकर के
he was sad.
अपने गृह छोड़ करके
He left his house.
एकोदासदी जो दुखाद गृहं त्यक्त्वा वनं गतः मध्याह्ने त्रिश्रीतो जातस्तगाढ सुपेत पितवान्। एक दिन वो
One day,
आत्मदेव
that
ब्राह्मण
Atmadev Brahman,
दुखित होकर के
he was suffering, he was
और
sad,
घर से निकल गए
and he left the house,
लगने लगे।
and he was wandering around in the forest.
दोपहर के समय
It was afternoon.
एक सरवर पकुड़ के सामने आ गए।
He came
सारा दिन
to,
कुछ खाया पिया
he
नहीं,
didn't eat or drink anything,
प्यास में तड़पने लगे।
and he was very
अंत
thirsty.
में वो आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
And that
वो
Antardev
सच्चा निर्मल जल
Brahman,
पान करके
he drank, there was a pond there, then he drank some water, and he sat in the garden nearby, and he started to
इतने
think.
समय भगवत इच्छा से
At that time, because of Bhagwan's desire, one sannyasi came.
और देखो
And
वो
look,
ज्योति महाराज यानी सन्यास को देख करके
when he looked at the
ब्राह्मण देवता
sannyas,
ब्राह्मण है उनके चरण पकड़ करके
Then this Brahmin
फुट करके रोने
bowed down
लगे,
to his,
जिसके
touched
पश्चात
his
जो है,
lotus feet and
अपने
started to cry.
माथा पे जो है बार-बार फूटने लगे।
So he was
ये संत
touching his
महात्मा
forehead
जतिराज
into the Sant Mahatma's
आपने
lotus
कुछ
feet.
क्षमा करें।
And he said, "Oh,
संत महाराज कहने
please
लगे,
forgive me." And he was
"हे
crying.
ब्राह्मण, तो
Then
बताइए
he
ना,
said, "Hey
क्या बात है?"
Brahman, what is the
बहुत
problem?"
समय पूछने पर कहने लगे,
After
"मेरे कोई पुत्र
after a long
संतान नहीं
time,
है।
then he
धन तो हमारे
said,
पास है,
"I have got wealth, but I don't have any son. I
हे
don't have
महाराज,
son.
आप कृपा करें।"
Hey Maharaj, you do kripa on me that I have son."
संत महात्मा
Then Sant
उनके
Mahatma
दुख देख करके
saw him suffering,
कहने लगे,
so
"अच्छा,
his heart melted.
संत महात्मा कुछ समय पर अपने विचार
संत
किया,
महात्मा
ध्यान
thought,
करके देखा उनकी
then
कर्म जो है।
Maybe it's his
देखो,
karma.
बीच में मैं एक कथा बता दूं।
In the middle, I'll say in the katha.
पूर्वाज गच्छितं कर्मं, पूर्वाज गच्छितं विद्वान्, पूर्वं धावति धावति धावति। हमारे भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर,
Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur saying this from his slope. In our previous life, whatever karmas we have done, the fruit will come now. That's coming in front of us now.
आप चाहे अथवा नहीं चाहे,
Even if you like it or if you don't, the fruit will be there. Will come.
पश्चेत भागो विपर्य मिथुन चारण निराम।
Sukadeva Goswami is saying, "Hey Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj,
कर्म किसलिए करते हैं?
why do these people in this world do karma?
प्राप्ति करने के लिए।
Why are they doing karma? They want they want happiness. But what happens at the end? It's dukh and dukh, suffering and suffering. This is what karmas take you to. So Sannyasi Thakur is saying, "Hey Atmadev Brahmin, suno, listen.
एक तो तुम्हारे 50 साल पे बीत गया,
Your actually 50 years have passed by.
पुत्र संतान क्या सच है?
You didn't.
और
Leave
एक मैं
this.
बताता हूँ, सुनो।
Don't have son.
सप्त
One thing,
जन्मावधि,
listen one thing.
जन्म तुम्हारा
For 7 janam, for 7 lifetimes, you will not have son.
अरे एक जन्म तो नहीं है, और भी क्या संत महात्मा क्या बोल दिया?
So this life I have not got son, but the Sant Mahatma says the next 7 lives also I won't have son.
पूर्वाज गच्छितं धनम, पूर्व जन्म में जैसे कर्म के ऐसे
Whatever karma we have done in our previous life, we
भाग्य
get the
भाज्य,
fruit.
तपे राजा और पुण्य पुत्र, शास्त्र में
Punya
ऐसी कहा।
Putra. In the Shastra
अरे
it
बात
says,
ऐसे करो,
if you do Bhagavad,
अच्छी पत्नी मिले,
you do nice karmas, you get nice wife.
झाड़ू लगाए, कहाँ झाड़ू लगाए?
Jhadu lagaye,
Floor पर।
who cleans the
और
floor
नहीं,
with
ऐसे
a
कर्म
broom.
किया, पत्नी तो हुआ, और झाड़ू कहाँ लगाई?
So
तुम्हारे
this
पीठ पर
Brahmin,
झाड़ू लगाई।
the Brahmin, you got the wife of Brahmin, that you got a wife that
तो राज संपत्ति
she
मिलेगा।
broomed on your back,
और
like
पुण्य पुत्र,
she hit
अच्छा
you.
पुण्य कर्म करो,
So you do nice
पुत्र
karmas,
अच्छा तो मिलेगा।
then you get nice
हैं?
son.
पुत्र आदि जन्म देना तो सभी देते हैं, ये
Everybody
कुत्ता भी
gives
हो,
us,
बच्चे के
even
प्रसव
all
करते
the
हैं।
animals are
हाँ?
giving birth to
किंतु
children.
एक वैष्णव पुत्र के जन्म देना
But if you
कितनी
give
साधारण बात है।
if you give a birth
अनेक
to a
जन्म की
Vaishnava, it's
तपस्या
not
आदि
ordinary.
करने पर,
After many years of tapasya, then you get
हैं?
that type of a
तो
son.
उसने कहने में जतिराज कहने लगे,
So
मैं देखिए सप्त जन्मावधि 7 जन्म तुम्हें
so
पुत्र नहीं
the
मिलेगा।
Sant Mahatma is saying, "Arey, for 7 janams you are not going to
उस
get
समय
son."
संत महात्मा के समझाने लगे, क्या बोले?
at that,
जतिराज बाज,
Sant Mahatma
मुंजा
tried to
ज्ञानं
understand him.
रूपं बलिष्ठा कर्मणे गति, विवेके तु समासक्त त्यज संसार वासनम।
Tried to make him understand.
मुंजा ज्ञानं प्रजारूपं बलिष्ठ कर्मणे गति। हे ब्राह्मण देवता,
Hey Brahman Devata,
इस प्रजा प्राप्ति का मोह त्याग दो,
don't have this desire to have son.
विवेक का आश्रय लेकर
Give up of desires.
संसार की वासना छोड़ दो,
Give up all these material desires.
भगवान के भजन करो,
Do
सुनो
Bhagwan's
विप्र
bhajan.
माया
Do Bhagwan's bhajan.
प्रारब्ध तो विलोकितम सप्त जन्मावधि तब पुत्र नहीं वचन। हे ब्राह्मण,
हे ब्राह्मण,
तुम्हारे प्रारब्ध की मैं
Even
बताता हूँ,
according to
प्रजन्म
according to
किए
your
हुए जो कर्म जो है, सप्त
karmas,
जन्मावधि
for
कितने जन्म?
7 lives,
7 जन्म कर पुत्र
7
नहीं।
lives you will not have son.
इस कथा को सुन करके
This by listening to
ब्राह्मण
when
को और भी
and then listening to this, the Brahmin even got more upset.
जतिराज के चरण पकड़ने लगे, महाराज
He said,
आप तो
Maharaj,
श्रीकाल करे श्री
you are Triklat, you are a Sant Mahatma. The Brahmin said, oh, you are Sant Mahatma. You know my life, you know my...
पढ़ सकते हैं
Can you change my life?
संत
Can you
महात्मा
change
के
my
पास
karmas?
क्षमता है
Sant Mahatma have got
हमारे
this.
भाग्य भी
They can change your destiny.
बार बार जब रोने लगे
So
बोले
the
महाराज
Brahmin
संत
started to
महात्मा,
cry a lot.
आप मुझे किसी प्रकार से एक
And he said,
मोहन
whatever,
जब
in whichever
हो
way,
जाता है,
you give me one
उनके
son.
कुछ भी उपदेश दे वो कोई काम नहीं करता है। उसार भूमि जैसे बीज बपन तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं
तुलसीदास
जैसे
जी
बंगाल
saying,
भूमि होता है बिल्कुल जैसे घास तक भी नहीं होती।
you know, like
उसे
a
क्या कहा जाता है?
barren land where not even a grass doesn't grow. It's called barren.
उसी प्रकार जो व्यक्ति
Similarly-
मोहग्रस्त हो जाते हैं उसके हजार उपदेश दे
Even you
उसे
give
कोई काम
others,
का नहीं होता।
even if you put हजार things there, because it's barren, nothing grows.
कंजूस व्यक्ति के दान
In-
उपदेश की कथा सुना
If you
कुछ लाभ
listen,
होता है?
if you
कुछ
listen,
नहीं होता।
if you listen
इसलिए
to
कोई
a
जो
miser person's
दान चांद की कथा सुनाते हैं,
katha, then do you achieve anything? No. Then
उससे कुछ लाभ नहीं होता है।
there is no benefit.
क्रोधी व्यक्ति के निकट कोई यदि समभाव मित्रता रखना चाहते हैं वो
If you,
बेकार है।
if,
हर
you, if
व्यक्ति
somebody
के
has
साथ
got
कोई
anger,
मित्रता
he's
रखना
got so
चाहते
much
हैं,
anger,
वो भी
then what's
बेकार
the point of making a friend of that type of a
जैसे मैंने
person?
आज प्रातः काल में कथा सुनाया था।
Like I said in the
एक
morning,
सांप जो है,
there's katha,
इसी
there's a
प्रकार
sharp,
से सपेरा से
there's a
भक्त में आ
snake,
गया।
came a snake. There was a snake in the net, in the net. The snake catcher put the snake in the net, and the mouse came inside the net. Then he said, the snake thought, if I eat this snake, then I'll have to stay in this net. So he said, Chue, hey net, the snake said to the rat, don't worry, I won't eat you. You got nice sharp teeth, so do one thing. You cut the net for me. I will also come out, and you will also come out. So the rat started to think, okay, let me make friendship with him. This rat, what did the rat do? He cut the net with his teeth. So the snake came out. So the snake came out, and what did the snake said? Hey, do you think I can make friendship with you? You are my food. So he ate the rat. The Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying, Kal Bhakti, don't make friendship. What's the point of making friendship with that type of a person? That's why I'm saying. The people who are so much absorbed in this material world, then you listen to them from Vairagya Katha. What's the point? Nothing happens. It's just waste of time. So similarly, the Sant Mahatma, he's not listening. So he's not listening to his Katha. He said, according to your karmas, for 7 lifetimes you will not have a son. Then Atma Brahmin started to cry so much, and he kept on saying, oh, give me one son. What did this Sant Mahatma do? With his mantra, he gave one fruit. He gave one fruit, and with the mantra, he gave one fruit to this Brahmin. Sant Mahatma now got some power. His power. He said, go and feed this fruit, this apple to your wife. Then a beautiful son will be born. Then this Brahmin was very happy. He came home and he called his wife and he told her, Dhanduli, this fruit, I've got it from Sant Mahatma. He says, you eat this fruit and then you'll get pregnant. And then you'll give birth to a beautiful son. Dhanduli, I told you. Outside she looks all nice, but inside her heart was very cruel. Then she started to think, if I eat, first of all she said, if you eat eaten by the fruit, do you think I'll get pregnant? Then said, I've eaten so many bananas, I never got pregnant.
अरे फल खाने से यदि बच्चा हो तो कितने
And what type of, if even the monkeys are eating so many fruit, you know, when they have bacha, then they have
ये
children.
बेकार की
Arey, this
कहाँ
is
हमारे
useless. What type
पतिदेव
of,
कहाँ चले गए थे? कोई संत महात्मा
where
कहीं
did my pati dev go?
फिर में पड़ गए।
Arey, what,
अरे कलयुग में कौन संत महात्मा क्या है?
in Kali Yuga, who do you know who is Sant Mahatma? Do you have any
बेकार की
faith?
बात।
It is just useless thing. Arey, really, can you eat fruit and have a baby? That she
दूसरी
didn't have
बात
any
ये
faith
भी
in that.
ये भी होने लगे।
And then she also
हाँ,
started to
यदि हो
think,
गया तो
then what if I do get pregnant by eating this son? So she had a little bit of fear of that as
है भी
well.
है।
She also had fear.
यदि मैं फल खा लिया
If I eat this
संत
fruit,
महात्मा के दिए हुए
and then
मंत्र
what
को जो
according to,
फल
because
मैं
it's
खा
got
लिया तो
mantra in
पेट
this
में
fruit,
बच्चा आ
then what if I get pregnant? And then I will get
और
pregnant.
मेरा पेट इतना बड़ा हो
And then my
मैं दौड़
stomach
नहीं
will get
पाऊंगी।
big. Then I
एक
won't be
तो
able to
चाहे
run.
6 महीने तक बिल्कुल
And for 6 months, I'll just have to lie down. Or I won't even be able to sleep
ना इधर,
properly.
ना उधर।
Not in, I'll have to
हाँ,
keep
भाई,
on turning
कितने
this
कष्ट
way and that way.
खाने में
And
पीने
it's
में
very
बैठने में
difficult.
चलने में
I will have so much problems, you know,
और दूसरी
eating,
बात है कहीं
sitting,
चोर आ
walking.
जाए
And then what if one day a thief
चोर आ
comes,
जाए वो हमारे
a
संपत्ति
thief,
से ले जाएंगे
and the
मैं
thief
भाग नहीं
comes
पाऊंगी और चोर
and
मुझे
steal everything, then I will not be able to run after the thief.
इसी प्रकार अनेक प्रकार
So
कल्पना
that
कल्पना
of types of things she was thinking of.
धुंधली विचार करने
Then
लगी क्या
Danduli started to
इतने
think.
समय
At that time,
संपर्क कोई बहन जो है उनसे
there was
मिली।
one
बोले, "बहन, मैं क्या करूं बताओ?"
sister came, her
वो
sister
बहन
came.
कहने लगी, "भाई, सारा
The sister
उपाय है।
said,
मैं
there
अभी
is
अभी
one
जरूर
solution to that. I am
है।
pregnant.
ठीक 9 महीने के बाद मैं ये
After 9
करूं।
months, I will give birth to a
एक काम
baby.
करो,
Do one thing.
है, मैं तो गरीब हूं।
I am
एक
poor.
काम करो,
I am
तेरे पास
poor.
तो बहुत धन है,
You have a lot of
दे
wealth.
देना।
You give me the money
और
and I
साथ ही
will
साथ
give
में
you.
बच्चा होने के साथ ही साथ रातों रात तुम्हारे घर में
As soon as it's born, I will come and give you the
और
son.
तुम एक काम करना
Do one thing.
और पेट में जो है कपड़ा लगा लेके रखना
On your stomach, you put some cloth to just show out to your husband and people that you are pregnant. So put some clothes underneath your stomach, so they'll think you are pregnant. So the wife said, that is a solution. So what did she do with the fruit? She fed the fruit to the cow.
देखो संत महात्मा के दिए हुए जो फल जो बैठ
This
थोड़ी जाए
fruit, from Sant Mahatma, the fruit we got from the Sant Mahatma, it will not be wasted. So what happened? The cow who ate the fruit, she became pregnant. So people started to talk in the village saying, oh, even the cow is pregnant, oh, his wife is also pregnant.
सारे गांव में हल्ला हो गया
Everybody started to talk in the village. And Atma Dev
इसके
was very
के
happy.
बाद 9 महीने के बाद
After 9
वो
months,
उनके जो बहन जो है
the
रातों
sister,
रात
the sister who was pregnant, when she gave birth,
उनको निकाल भेज दिया
she came
और
and
ठीक
gave that
भगवान की ऐसी ली
baby to,
और वो गाय की भी हो गए
तंदूरी।
बच्चा को भी प्रसव कर दिया
and
वो
also the
बच्चा
cow
कैसे
gave
था?
birth, the cow also gave birth to a
मनुष्य
baby.
के भांति।
And
केवल
the baby
गाय के
was
भांति उनके दो
like a human, like a human. Only the ears were like cows.
गाय से जो बच्चे हुए
The child
उसके
that
नाम
was
रख दिया
born from the
गोकर्ण।
cow.
बोलो गोकर्ण महाराज
So he was named Gokaran.
की।
Gokaran.
है? देखो आप और उनकी भी बच्चा नहीं और फिर गांव में हल्ला हो गया
And then again everybody started to talk about in the village.
ब्राह्मण की गाय ने भी एक मनुष्य बच्चों
They started to talk, oh Atma Brahmins, in their house the cow has also given birth to a human-like
भगवान जिसको देते हैं
baby.
कैसे देते हैं छप्पर फाड़ करके देते हैं।
When Bhagwan gives you so much, he gives you so much. Chappan.
इसकी भी कथा पीछे
Like
क्या कथा है मैंने एक बार कथा सुना
one
एक
day
कृषक था
there was a
दरिद्र
katha.
कृषक था। वो
He was very,
खेती में जो है कपड़ा चला रहे थे चलाते ठंड करके
there was this farmer who was plowing in his, then he found, when he was plowing, he found this gada, this pot,
चांदी के
clay pot.
सिक्के
Inside the clay pot, he
वो
saw
विचार
some
करने
silver
लगे, अब ये
coins.
घड़ा लेकर के घर में जाऊं तो
If I
आसपास में जो काम
So
करने वाले कोई देख
he
लिया
started to think
तो
that if I
ये
take
छीन
this
लेंगे,
pot of
नहीं तो
silver,
सरकार के पास चले जाए
if
सरकार
somebody sees me around, then they will
इसलिए
go
वो
to the government and
किसने
the
किया
government
कि
will take away this
उस
pot
घड़ा
of
को
silver.
गया कि उस अपने जमीन में
So what did
एक
he
स्थान
do?
पर जब और भी थोड़ा खोद करके
And he
उसको रख
dug
दिया और उस पर
dug
पूरा माटी
further
दे
down,
करके, मिट्टी दे करके
and then
ऊंचा
he
कर
put this
दिया।
clay
और विचार
which
करने
are the
लगे,
coins,
जब सब लोग रात
and
में
then he
सो
put
जाएंगे
mud on
रात
over it.
12-1
So he
बजे,
thought when everybody
1
is
बजे
sleeping,
मैं आकर
then
के
at 1 o'clock at night I will come and
ऐसे कर करके
and get
वो
this
कृषक
pot.
चले गए
Then he
और
left.
रात में गए
This farmer
रात
left.
में जाकर के अपने
Then at
पत्नी को
night,
कथा सुनाई।
Then he
ये
told his
देखो,
wife the
आज
story that today
एक घड़ा मुझे मिला
I have found this vessel.
अपना जगह से चले।
It's called
तो पत्नी कहने तुम लाए नहीं हो
Why
लाए नहीं
did-
हो?
so he said, I found
बोले,
this
देखो,
vessel
चाहे
with
तुम लोग
coins
काम
in
कर
it.
रहे हैं, और
So
मैं
the
मुझे
wife said,
ऐसे
why didn't you
हम
bring
पत्नी को देख
it?
लिया,
So the
तो
farmer
मुझे
said,
प्राप्ति नहीं
oh, there's so many people
इसलिए
watching me,
मैंने
and what if they
जमीन
see
के
me?
बीच में
That's why what
है,
I've done is,
और
in the
उसको
middle
दबा
of
करके
the
उसके
land,
ऊपर
I've
मिट्टी
dug,
गाड़ रख दिया, ऊंचा कर
I've
दिया।
dug it
जैसे
down
रात में 12 बजे, रात में
and
जब हमें
dug
पता
it
लगे,
on the in the ground. So and I
ठीक
put
उसी
some
समय
mud
एक
mud
चोर
over
जो है,
it.
घर में आ
So
गया,
when I
और
go,
पीछे सुनने लगे।
I will go at
तो
night
मतलब ये वार्तालाप बोल रहा है।
and go and collect the pot.
चोर विचार करने लगी, अच्छा मैं ही चला जाता हूँ।
So the chore
चोर
was
चले गए,
listening.
और
Actually,
उसकी जमीन
this
खोलते खोलते
thief,
देखा कि ऊंचा एक डिग्री,
the
ऊंचा
thief
डिग्री।
was listening.
और उसे
So he
खोला,
went
देखा
and
गया,
he
ये घड़ा तो
dug
मिला।
it
किंतु
in
घड़ा
that
के-
place.
घड़ा जो है उसको थोड़ी सी खोलने के लगता के साथ वो ततैया होते हैं।
So when he opened it, you know the tataya, this type of
और ततैया
insects.
जब निकल उसके तो बीट काटने लगे।
So the insects flew out from this pot when he opened the pot, and this insect started to bite him on his skin. So he left and he said, "Oh, that."
असर भी है।
So this farmer was lying.
उसको घर को मैं दे देता हूँ। ऐसे देखो चोर ने क्या किया?
What did this thief do?
घड़ा को लेकर गया,
He picked up his
और उसके
pot.
घर के छात को थोड़ा काट दिया
He opened at the top.
और कटा करके घड़ा को उल्टा करके
So he gave the
अब
pot
देखो,
upside down,
उल्टा
put
करके
it in.
दिया, तो उसके घर में क्या जितने भी मोहर जो है
Whatever
ऐसा
came.
समझे, वो जित करके गिरने लगे। उसके पति ने क्या बात है? पति कहने लगे मैंने
पति
कहा ना,
से-
भगवान इसको देते हैं कैसे?
देते हैं, so he
सबको
said-
काट करके देते हैं।
So he said, Bhagwan dete, when Bhagwan gives, he gives a lot.
देखो उसी प्रकार सारे गांव में हल्ला हो गया। आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण की देखो।
So everybody started to talk in the village that
पुत्री तो बच्चे को दिए।
even the cow has given birth.
इसके पश्चात आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण ने दोनों बालक के जो है
So why?
सुंदर रूप में पालन पोषण करने
So
लगे।
everybody is in the village talking about that
किंतु देखो,
the Brahmin has given
संत
birth. He's
महात्मा
got
के
2
दिए
sons
हुए
now.
जो मंत्री जो पुत्र जो है वो कैसे हुआ?
So the son, the fruit that the cow ate, what type of a son the birth of son he got. The
और धुंधली से जो पुत्र
the baby that the cow gave name was Gokaran,
धुंधुकारी
and the wife and the wife's the sister who gave birth to that baby, they named Dandukari.
कैसे हुई?
Gokaran
अत्यंत
means
सुंदर स्वभाव वाले,
he had a beautiful nature,
परोपकारी,
very pious
वेद
nature.
करने वाले ब्राह्मण की जो
And he knew the Shastra. He was the one who would follow all the niyams, rules and regulations of a Brahmin. Whereas the Dandukar was like a thief.
अल्प वयस में स्कूल में क्या करते चक्कू लेकर के
Even in
छोटे-छोटे
school,
बच्चे को भी
he would take a knife and he was threatening the children, drink alcohol, and go and mess about with ladies and do bad activities. Nature. That's how he was used.
और एक दिन
One day,
वो धुंधुकारी ने क्या की?
what did this
शराब
Dandukari
पी-
do? He
पी-
drank.
करके पिताजी को बोले, पिताजी और भी
Dandukari, he drank a lot of alcohol.
उसमें कुछ मुझे रुपया दो।
So he went to his father and said, "Give me
नहीं
some
दे,
money.
पिताजी की पिटाई करने
If
लगे।
you don't give me the money, then he used to beat the son up, beat the father up,
गाली गलौज करना, तोड़ फोड़ करना,
for like he would
शराब
hit
पीने वाला
everything.
होता
You know,
है,
when
ऐसी-
people who drink, when they come, they break this and break that.
बिना
That's how he
कारण
was
से
like.
वो गाली गलौज करना शुरू
And without any reason, he would start swearing and use bad language.
तो आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण विचार करने
Then
लगा, हाय, हाय,
Atma Brahman started to
कुछ तो
think,
नहीं था, वो भी अच्छा था और कुछ पुत्र हुआ थे कैसे दुष्ट
he started to say, it's better if I didn't have a son. I've got a son. Look at him, what he's
एक
like.
दिन आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
Then one day, this Atma Brahmin,
धर्मात्मा पुत्र
this
गोकर्ण के कहने
Purmata,
लगे
he
गोकर्ण
said to Gokaran,
मुझे बताओ
you tell me,
मैं क्या
what should I do?
तुम्हारे भाई
Your brother,
धुंधुकारी
Dundakari,
मुझे सताती है।
is
मैं
very,
क्या?
he's punishing me. What should I do?
उस समय गोकर्ण कहने लगे
Then
पिता,
Gokaran said, oh
हे
father,
पिता, सुनिए
hey listen,
ये मोह के छोड़ दीजिए
leave these material attachments.
आप वन में जाकर के भगवान
Go
का
into the
ध्यान
forest and do Bhagwan
करें।
bhajan.
ये संसार अनित्य है
This material life is
अनित्य संसार को छोड़ दीजिए मोह के
temporary.
पिताजी,
Leave it. Leave all these desires
अनंतत्वा वन में जाकर के
and go to the
भगवान श्री हरि की
forest
आराधना करें।
and
जीवन के
do the
इच्छा
Bhagwan
एक तो आपके 50
bhajan.
वर्ष हो गया
At least we are over 50 years old. In Shastras he said at 50,
50 वनम गच्छेत्। हाँ? 50 साल के बाद क्या करना चाहिए
after 50 years what should you do? You should leave the attachment of this material world and take sannyas.
समझ गए सन्यास लेकर गया पिताजी
Pitaji, he said to take sannyas.
एकमात्र
So he said,
सुख इसमें
Pitaji,
है।
father, take sannyas.
एकमात्र सन्यासी में सुख है
There's sukh, there's happiness in sannyas. There's no happiness in family life. Family life is so much suffering.
हैं?
You listen to Prahlad Maharaj's katha.
प्रहलाद महाराज अपने पिता के क्या बोला
Prahlad Maharaj told his
हे पिता,
father,
ये संसार
hey Pita, he said, hey, this sansar, this material life
ये अंधकूप के भांति
is a blind well.
तत्साधु मन्ने असुरवर्जदेना सदा समुद्रविघ्नधियां असतग्रह हित्वात्मपातं गृहान्धकूपं वनं गतो जत् हरिमाश्रयेत्। हैं?
प्रहलाद महाराज said,
ठीक उसी प्रकार
Similarly,
गोकर्ण
Gokaran said, told his father, Pita, father,
ये समस्त छोड़ करके
you leave everything
आप वन में
and go into the forest
और जाकर के भगवान के भजन
and do Bhagwan's
मनुष्य जीवन
bhajan.
की तो ही तात्पर्य है।
This is the goal, this is the dharma of the human being. So what if you have one wife
फिर शादी करना चाहते
and you have wife and then you divorce her and then you get second wife, do you think the second wife will make you happy? No, you'll never get happy. So if there's no happiness in your life, then why have wife? The one wife,
शादी करने के चाहे
you got beaten from one wife and then you got married to another wife. Do you think you will get happiness? Are a foolish person? No.
गोकर्ण करने के पिता
So that way Gokaran told
ये
his
मोह
father,
के छोड़ दीजिए, छोड़
leave this
दीजिए।
attachment, leave this
आशा,
world,
पास
material world,
बच्चे,
and then
विधायक, ये जो है पास मुझे छोड़ दीजिए।
leave
मोह
everything.
क्या है हमारे पास?
What is moha? What is it? It's bandhan. This is bondage. This is the bondage we have here.
मोह जो है हमारी मुक्ति के बंधन के कारण
This is a bondage.
इस
This
संसार में
material world is
आप
bondage.
माँ
This
मोह में
sansar,
पड़े
we are drowned in this material world, in this maya.
आदि देवी
Ada Devi, Adi Hoti, Adi Bhakti, and Adi Atme. So the Gokaran is telling his father, leave everything. Go into the forest, take the shelter of a Sant Matwa and listen to Bhagavad Katha.
ये समस्त छोड़ दो।
Leave all this world. Leave this.
पुत्र के उसी प्रकार सत्य
This is what the son is called, who gives you the true knowledge. And he listened to his son's instruction, and he said he left this world, his material life, and went into the forest.
अति अवश्य आप मुझे ब्राह्मण
This Brahmin,
भगवत प्राप्ति नहीं
then he attained Bhagwan
क्योंकि सत्संग की।
because he did
और
satsang.
इधर गोकर्ण देखा
Then
उनके
Gokaran,
घर मानो एक नरक जैसे बन गए।
then they looked at it and he said his house became like a
उनके
hell.
भाई जो है
His brother, Dhandukari,
है, एक नहीं पांच बेश्या के घर में रखे।
he was also bringing not only one prostitute, 5 prostitutes in the house. And
चोरी करके आते हैं
He would
और शराब
steal
पी करके
things
आते हैं।
and he would come home at night and be drunk. And you go to the mother, you tell me, give me where the money is. Where is the money? Father has kept all the money. I don't have any money. So the mother will say, oh, I don't have money. So she would say, what do you mean you don't have the money? Surely you have got money.
पिटाई करने लगी।
So like that, he used to beat his wife, mother up.
नदी में जा करके
And then like that, the mother also died. She went to the sea, river and killed herself and killed herself.
हैं? वो घर एक नरक सदृश
So
है,
his
नरक
house,
जैसी है।
his house
हैं?
was like hell.
मांस, मछली, हैं? अंडा, अनेक प्रकार के ये सब।
He started to eat eggs and fish and everything.
गोकर्ण भी
So Gokaran thought, what's the point of living in the house like this? So he also left the house and he went to Tirth, all the holy places,
जैसे नारद
and
ऋषि
started to do bhajan.
सब कुछ छोड़ करके तीर्थ
Just
तीर्थ
like
में
Narad
भ्रमण
Muni
करने लगे,
left
संत
everything
महान के
and he
संत
went
आदि
from
करने लगे।
holy
उसी
place to
प्रकार
the another holy place.
हैं?
Like
अपनी
that.
पीढ़ियों के छोड़ करके
So Gokaran
तीर्थ
left his
यात्रा
house
करने लगे,
and he
जहाँ
went
जहाँ
to
संत
holy
महात्मा
places,
विराजमान हैं,
to all
संत
the
महात्मा
he went to where all the
हैं।
saintly sadhus were there.
सुंदर स्निग्ध सुशीतल पवित्र नदी के जल पान करने लगे
And he started to drink
और
pure
सत्य
water
साफ
from the
जल के
river
जल के जो है,
and eat the fruit from the forest.
भगवत आराधना में लिप्त हो।
And he got absorbed in
इधर
Bhagwan
धंधुकारी क्या करने लगे
bhajan.
शराब पी करके।
And alternately, Dhandukari, what
और
was he
घर में तो मैंने
doing?
कहा दिया,
He was
पांच
drinking
व्यक्ति को
and he brought
एक
5
दिन धंधुकारी ने
prostitutes.
किया कि
One
एक
day what he
राजा के
did?
राजकोष में उसके भीतर और राजा के सारे धन
And he went to this
मूल्यवान
big
धन जो है,
Raja's
हीरे जवाहरात
palace
जो है,
and he
वो
stole all the wealth that Raja had, like pearl, jewels, all the precious stones.
मैं कैसा सुंदर
And then he went to the Vaishnava, he went to the prostitutes and said, look what I've got here, see what I've got for you. You know, all these jewels are good for you. So on the externally they were happy, but then they started to think, these prostitutes started to think that, if he's stolen from this palace, then one day this Raja's servants will come here looking for these jewels. So then they thought, Raja will soon find out who's stolen all his wealth. And then they started to think that what is the prostitutes started to think? It's like if there's no flute, there's no bamboo, there's no flute. So let's what do is we will run away with this wealth, all these precious jewels, and we should kill him. So he was lying down, he was so much drunk, he was drunk and he was lying down. And what did these prostitutes do? They tied his hands, tied his feet, and they beat him like anything. And still he didn't die. So then he still didn't die. So this stick, they picked up the stick with fire and they put that in his mouth. And they beat him like anything. 5 prostitutes beat him like anything. And then at the end, Dhandukari, he left the body. And he died. And then what did the prostitutes do to the body? And there was a well nearby. Dal diya. So they threw the body in the well. And on the top, they closed that well with stones. And that same night, they left the town. Nobody knew. At 1 o'clock, nobody knew. At 1 o'clock, that nobody knew that the next day, people started to say, "Oh, there's nobody in this house." So nobody's going in, nobody's coming out from that house. Then the villagers started to think. What happened Dhandukari? What happened to Dhandukari after death? If somebody kills you, then you have to go to Prem Jali. Ghost. Pray. He started to live like a ghost. And the villagers started to frighten the villagers. So if there was somebody walking, then he would go and frighten them. Bhoot, no, ghost. It's like ghost. So it's like
किसी घर में जो पत्थर आदि फेंकने लगे
the ghost started to throw stones at other
गांव के
people's
लोग सब
houses.
घर से जो है
So the villagers were very frightened. And slowly all the villagers also left that place.
पिशाच, ये देखो जिसके भूत भूत ऐसी सब
This is bhoot.
ये कोई हंसी
Ghost.
मजाक की कथा नहीं।
It's
हमारे
not-
गुरुदेव
it's
भी
not something to
साक्षात
laugh
रूप में
about.
कितने भूतों के उन्होंने
This katha is
उद्धार
not to
किया।
laugh about.
कोई
Even
कहते
our
हैं,
Gurudev,
अरे हाँ,
you know, have
और पुराण में ऐसी वर्णन है। मेरे गुरुदेव ने
have liberated. My Gurudev has liberated many ghosts. My Gurudev, Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Maharaj, used to,
उद्धार भी करे।
he saved, he liberated all these ghosts.
भूतों के विवाह भी कराए।
He also got them married.
हमारे गुरुदेव कथा सुनाते थे।
My Gurudev
हंसी
used
मजाक की
to
कथा नहीं है।
recite us these kathas. These kathas are not a matter of laughing matter.
इस अपघात की मृत्यु होने के पश्चात
So if you commit suicide or murder, then you get ghosts. So Dundakari became a ghost.
सारे गांव मेरे छोटे में चले गए, कोई नहीं रहा।
All the villagers left that place.
कई साल बीत गए।
Many years passed by.
गोकर्ण सर्वत्र भ्रमण करते करते तीर्थ स्थल आदि
गोकर्ण-
भ्रमण करते करते एक
Gokaran,
बार अपने गांव
after
में-
wandering around from
गांव में लोगों
holy
के
places,
संस्कार जो बहुत दूर
he came to the
गांव में
village.
लोग थे, उसके पूछा,
He said to the villagers, "Have you seen?" Came back to the village. He said, "Have you? Do you know where my mother and my brother is?" And they said, "No, your father, your house is just so empty. Nobody goes in,
देखो
nobody
गोकर्ण
comes
ने क्या
out."
की?
So
एक
Gokaran
रात्रि काल में
did
भ्रमण
one day.
करते करते
Was
है,
at one.
अपने घर में बाहर एक खटिया पड़ा हुआ था।
There was a bed. So wandering around, he came to his house. Then there was a bed outside. So he lied down on the bed.
कभी खटिया को ऐसे
Then
हिलाने
sometimes
लगे।
this bed would move up and move up and down.
कौन है?
Then the Gokaran would say, "Oh, who is here?"
और कुछ
Who is
समय
here?
ऐसे दूर से जो है
And then sometimes nobody would speak anything. Sometimes you would hear, sometimes you would hear like somebody's
कभी
crying.
कभी आप फिर उसके निकट आ गए हा 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 करते
Then
हो।
sometimes you
रोना
would
रोते
hear,
हैं।
you
उस
would
समय
ha ha
गोकर्ण
ha.
कहने लगे,
You said,
अरे तुम कौन है?
Gokaran asked him,
अपने
"Who are you?
स्वरूप में
Please show me your
अपने
swarup.
स्वरूप में।
Please come and show
देखो
me your
हमारे
swarup."
भक्ति विज्ञान भारती कृष्ण महाराज
Bhakti
एक कथा भी
Vidan
सुनाते हैं।
Bharti Maharaj used to say a katha.
जितने भी बड़े भूत हो
These many ghosts.
उसके उद्धार के उपाय है एकादशी को कुछ फल दे दो।
Bas, what happens to how to liberate those ghosts is to give them one ekadasi.
ये भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद के एक शिष्य थे, उसके नाम था वैखानस महाराज।
Parikshad Maharaj, he was a Sishya of disciple of Vaikanas Maharaj. He was a disciple of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur.
प्रभुपाद के मिलने के पहले
Prabhupada, before he met Prabhupada.
एक तो ब्राह्मण थे,
He was a Brahmin,
अच्छा स्मार्ट तो ब्राह्मण थे।
smart Brahmin. He was smart Brahmin.
इसलिए स्मार्ट तो ब्राह्मण होने के नाते बहुत दूर दूर जाते थे, जजमान के घर में जाते थे।
He was a smart Brahmin, so he used to go to many rich people's houses. Like that, he used to do pujas in everybody's house. He did,
और
went,
उनके बहुत धन भी मिला।
he got a lot of wealth from these people whose house, they were very wealthy people. He got money, he got clothes, and he got many. And then it started to walk, and it started to rain very heavy rainfall. Oh, now it's dark. What can I do? I don't know where to go. Now I cannot go in this heavy rain. So he went to a pan seller and said, "Is there anywhere I can sleep here tonight? Because it's heavy rain, so I cannot go to my house." So he said, "Yeah, there's an empty house here. You can maybe sleep there." So at night, so Vaikanas Maharaj, you know, he was very Bharti Maharaj. He was like a very healthy body, very tall and big. He was very strong. He looked very beautiful. So he went to this house. He opened this house and he put a blanket down. And chalo, at night I only have to spend one night here, and tomorrow I'll go to my next destination. So what happened? The door started to open by itself, the window started to open itself, and the wind started to blow. We started to hear noises. Then he heard,
तो कोई
Are
भूत
he
पिशाच।
thought, he said, Achhe, there is a
उन्होंने
ghost
क्या
here.
की?
So what did he
देखो,
do?
उस घर के जो है तो पहले दरवाजा लगाने के एक लोहे के जो है
There was a
सरिया
iron
लगाया
road,
जाता है।
iron
हम लोग भी
road,
देखा अपने घर में ना, हाँ?
iron road.
लोहे के सरिया जो है ऐसे लगा दिया जाता है। वो जानता था भाई देखो आपके पास लोहे का टुकड़ा रहे भूत आपके पास में आएगा।
If you have an iron rod in your hand, then the ghost will not come. Just like monkey, you know, like monkey.
ठीक उसी
Will
प्रकार
not come
भूत
to you
जो
with
है
a stick.
यदि आपके से
So
लोहे के कोई
if you
टुकड़ा
have
रहे
an iron rod, then the ghost won't come near
इसलिए
you.
उन्होंने क्या की
So what did he do? Vekanas Maharaj.
मैं तो उनके ब्रह्मचर्य के नाम भूल गया।
I was,
उन्होंने क्या की दरवाजा
what did he
खोले
do? Open the
और लोहे
door.
के टुकड़ा सरिया को जैसे हाथ में
And he was holding his iron rod. He said, Hey, who are you?
सामने आ जा
Come in front of me.
कौन है
Who are you? Come in front of me.
हाँ? वो भूत कहने लगे
The ghost started to say.
वो डराने लगे ना मैं तुमके खाने के लिए
So the ghost said, I am going to eat. I am bored. I am hungry. I am going to eat you.
हाँ? आने लगा कि तो वो भी तो ऐसे ही है बहुत तकड़े आदमी का बहुत
He was very big, like very
साहस रखने
strong.
वाले हैं
He was
अरे
strong.
कौन है
So he said,
सड़क
Hey,
पे आ
who
जा,
are you? Come here.
बताओ
Show me your
बोलो।
body. Who you are.
तब उस समय कहने लगे
Then he said,
ये दिजबर
Hey,
ब्राह्मण
hey Brahman,
मैं
I am ghost.
है कौन सा भूत
Ghost.
है ब्रह्म राक्षस
I am Brahma Rakshas.
है आज समझिए ब्रह्म राक्षस हूँ
I am Brahma Rakshas.
मेरे अंडर में हजारों जय भूत है
I,
अभी तो राधा कुंड में भी भूत है
there is a ghost in the Radha Kund.
वो बता देंगे क्या बोले
कौन?
हमारे रूप सनातन में जो परेशान अंदर रहते हैं
Parisan, who
राधा कुंड
stays
में
in
भूत है
the Rup
और
Sanatan.
वो तुम्हारे
He
वो
said,
क्या
oh,
बोले
in the Radha Kund there is ghost.
केसी घाट में भूत है
Even in Kesi Ghat there is ghost. There's so many ghosts in Vrindavan.
गुरु वैष्णव के
Who are
धन को
they?
चुराते हैं खाते
They
हैं
steal
मृत्यु के बचत भूत
gurus.
वो बताते हैं सर।
They steal gurus'
हमारे भाई उसे
money.
भक्ति रखते हैं।
Then they
भक्ति
become
क्या-
ghosts.
भक्ति कैसे महाराज बताएं? बोले बताओ तू कैसे
Bharti
बोले?
Maharaj said-
कैसे वो क्या वैष्णव ने क्या बोले ब्रह्म राक्षस कैसे बना
How did he become Brahma Rakshas?
ये मैंने
Then he
पूरा
said,
जन्म में
in my previous
मैंने
life,
गुरु वैष्णव के धन को मैं
I stole the wealth of Guru and Vaishnava. If you steal Guru's Vaishnava's money, and I enjoyed using Guru's money, that's why I've got this Brahma Rakshas. And now my body is burning.
ब्रह्म राक्षस जड़ी से मुझे उद्धार कीजिए तब उन्हें कहने लगे
Then you have to save me from this
मैंने जो
ghost.
एकादशी पालन की निर्जल
So he
एकादशी
said,
पालन की
the Maharaj said that I've done Nirjal Ekadasi.
बहुत मैं निर्जल
I've done many Nirjal Ekadasis in my life. So I'm going to give you one fruit of my Nirjal Ekadasi. I am saying what Bharti Maharaj said.
मेरा एक
My one Ekadasi, my one Nirjala Ekadasi fruit, I'm giving it to you.
वो मुक्त
Ghost.
होकर के
It's just saying that this ghost
भूत नहीं है साहब जब मंदिर में भूत है हाँ कहाँ जाएगी भूत और फिर कहते हैं हमारे जहाँ पर भगवान की कथा
they're saying there will be no ghost where this Bhagwan's katha and the
तो
bells
आइए
will
हमें
be,
कथा में
Aarti is going on.
उस
Then
समय गोकर्ण
katha,
क्या
ghost will be
विचार
there.
करने लगे
So Gokaran
भैया
started to think.
तुम्हें क्या कहूँ अच्छा तुम्हारे उद्धार के लिए
So for
क्योंकि
your
वो
uddar
भूत
to
कहने
save
लगे,
you, save
भैया
me.
मुझे उद्धार करो मेरे भूत
Please
से
save me,
उद्धार
save
करो।
me from this bhoot.
गोकर्ण ने क्या की
From
देखो
this
तीर्थ
ghostly
में
body,
जाकर के
save me.
ये पिंड दान दिया
So what did he do? He did a Pindadan. Pindadan from
पिंडदान देते हैं
Pindadan
हाँ?
in holy places.
महाप्रसाद निवेदन करके पिंडदान किया जाता
So
है
he gave Mahaprasad to the Pindadan.
पिंडदान की विधान भी है महाप्रसाद के द्वारा उसके उद्देश्य भी मंत्र आदि यथार्थ विधिवत मंत्र आदि के द्वारा
His
हाँ?
mantra is doing.
उनके उद्देश्य दान क्या है
So he did
ठीक
dan.
उसी प्रकार
with the
गोकर्ण
mantras.
ने समस्त
पिंडदान.
कावेरी नर्मदा
He went to Narmada, Kavi, all the teeth places. He went did this and did this. Vrindavan. But still, he was not saved. You know, ordinary person can be saved by Pindadan. But him who's done so much pap, who is sinner, so you know, how can he be saved with this Pindadan? No, papi cannot be saved from Pindadan, who's done so much pap. So
एक दिन
Gokaran
गोकर्ण
started
सोए थे,
to
चिंतन
think,
कर
what
रहे
should
थे,
I do?
मेरे भाई को
So
कैसे उद्धार हो? मेरे भाई
Gokaran
तो
was
अत्यंत
thinking,
महापापी
how can
है।
I save him?
ऐसे संसार में कोई पाप नहीं।
There's
मेरे भाई
nobody, but the path that my brother has done, nobody else has done those sins, actual activities. My brother is such a big sinner.
सुनो
So
तुम्हारे
these
भाई
devatas
उद्धार
said,
मैं बताता हूँ।
I will tell you
ये
how
देखो,
you can save your
तुम्हारे भाई
brother.
को स्मरण करके एक भागवत कथा जब अनुष्ठान करो।
So what you do? You do Bhagavad Katha.
हाँ?
See, like here,
भागवत कथा अनुष्ठान करो।
you do Bhagavad
और उनकी
Katha.
बुलाओ। जैसे आप
Then he will be
गंगा जल
saved.
गंगा
Then
जल
your
दिया।
brother saved
मंत्र पूजा आदि किया।
himself. I did Ganga Jal, I did puja, I did Ganga Jal, I gave Mahaprasad.
प्रसाद रखने की जगह नहीं, यहाँ पर भी रखा है महाप्रसाद।
I did
हनुमान को
Mahaprasad.
अर्पित कर दिया।
We did
विधिवत।
Arpin, we say,
भागवत पूजन किया, फिर
we did Bhagavad Pujan Kya, then we carried the Bhagavatam on our head and we did circumambulated, and then I called everyone. I called everyone there. Those are the people who have left the body. So it's like that. Similarly, the Gokaran, what did he do? In bass, like flute, the bamboo had 7 notes. This Gokaran, the Gokaran. So he did Bhagavad. Many thousands of people came to listen to Bhagavatam. And they passed by. There were 7 days and 7 notes. These notes was undone. Then the Viman on the 7th day, a Viman, an aeroplane came from heavenly planets. And this Dundakari left this ghostly body and got a beautiful body, and he sat on the Viman airplane and went to the higher planets. This is not Katha. You have got not eagerness to hear Bhagavad Katha. If you got a Katha, if you got a thorn in your foot, then how will you know that? Oh, you feel that pain in your foot, that the thorn has gone through. So similarly, like that, if your heart doesn't get touched by Bhagavad Katha, then it's bekar. So like that, his brother got a beautiful human body and left this world. So how did you save your brother? Your brother has gone to Vaikunth, but we were also listening to Bhagavad Katha. Your brother's gone to Vaikunth, but we didn't go anywhere. So the fruit is not just by listening. You have to remember the Katha. Today you are listening to Katha, and that night you have to remember, you have to meditate on this Katha. But if you listen to 1 year and then gets out from 1 year, so whatever we heard from you, Gurudev, we'll give it before you leave this Katha, then we say, oh, we'll leave that also with you. The Gokaran said, you all listened to Bhagavatam, but what you didn't do is, you didn't remember. 7 days you have to listen to Bhagavatam. 7 days you have to listen to Bhagavatam. You should come every day. Don't worry about what happens at home. 7 days you should come and listen to Bhagavatam. You have to come. Then the Gokaran said, all the Sritas who were listening to Bhagavatam, they all went to Vaikunth. Just like how Ram came with all the parikas of Ayodhya, when he left this world, he also took all his parikas to Ayodhya. So that's why you should listen to Bhagavad Katha and remember it. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
बताएंगे हैं? श्रीमद् भागवत परीक्षित महाराज के जन्म तो 7 दिन में सब कुछ समाप्त करना है।
We have to
हमारे
live.
पास 7 दिन नहीं है।
We
6
have,
दिन।
actually, we have only 6 days. The last day,
7वां दिन,
सातवां-
ये हमारे गुरुदेव की
एक-
3 महापुरुषों के
it's about three of our Gurudevs.
विक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज,
His appearance in Nitya and all Vaman Maharaj, Nitya Lila Prastham, Neet Maharaj and Swami Maharaj, this appearance day. So on that day, we release Bhagavad, this one Bhagavad and one is Bhakta
देखो
Bhagavad.
हम लोग भी अच्छी समय भी चुना।
We also selected the best time when we leave the Bhagavad,
भागवत की कथा हम
start करेंगे. We will end Bhagavad Katha and we will start with Bhakta Katha, Bhakta Bhagavad.